Let me tell you why most guys never make the move. It's not fear of rejection. Not really. It's fear of the awkward. That horrible moment where you said something and it landed wrong and suddenly the air between you changed and nothing felt natural anymore and you spent the next 3 days replaying it wondering what you were thinking. That fear, the fear of the awkward, has cost more men more opportunities than rejection ever has. Because rejection, you can survive. Awkward, you replay forever. So today I'm giving you 7 ways to make your move smoothly, naturally, confidently, in a way that feels good for both of you, regardless of what happens next. Stay until the end. Number 7 is the one that removes almost all the risk entirely. Let's get into it. Number 1. Move when the moment is already warm, not when you manufacture one. Most guys try to create the perfect moment from scratch. They overthink the setup. They wait for ideal conditions that never arrive. Here's what actually works. You move when the moment is already warm. When she's laughing, when the conversation just hit a high point, when the energy between you is naturally elevated. You don't build the moment, you read it. And when it's there, you move. Immediately. Without giving your brain time to talk you out of it. Warm moments are doors. They close quickly. Walk through them. Number 2. Lead with your presence, not your words. Most men think making a move is about saying the right thing. It isn't. It's about being in the right energy. Before you say anything, slow down, drop your shoulders, make eye contact, breathe. Let your body communicate, I am calm, I am certain, I am here. When your presence is grounded and unhurried, whatever you say lands completely differently. The words almost don't matter. She is already reading your energy before you open your mouth. Make sure it says, I am a man who is comfortable in this moment, not a man who is panicking through it. Number 3. Say it simply, never perform it. The move does not need to be clever. It does not need to be a line. The simpler and more direct it is, the better it lands. Something like, I've really enjoyed talking to you tonight. I'd like to see you again. That's it. No elaborate setup. No trying to be impressive. Just clean, warm, direct honesty. Simple moves land better than performed ones every single time, because she is not listening for clever, she is feeling for confident. And confidence sounds like simplicity, not a speech. Number 4. Make it about connection, not outcome. The reason making a move feels awkward is because most men are thinking about the result when they do it. Will she say yes? Will she reject me? What happens next? And that result-focused energy leaks through everything. It makes the moment feel transactional, pressured, heavy. Instead, focus entirely on what's already happening between you, the connection that already exists, the conversation that's already good, the moment that's already real. Move from that place, from genuine appreciation of what's already there, and the move stops feeling like a gamble. It starts feeling like a natural extension of something real. Number 5. Give her room to respond, never corner her. This is the one most men get wrong. They make the move in a way that puts her on the spot, in a group, in a situation where saying no feels publicly uncomfortable, in a moment where she has no graceful exit if she needs one. Never do this. Always make your move in a way that gives her space to respond honestly without pressure, one-on-one, in a moment that's naturally private, in a way that says there is no wrong answer here. This is just me being honest. When she feels no pressure, her real answer comes out. And a real yes is worth infinitely more than a pressured one. Number 6. Be completely okay with any answer. This is what genuine confidence actually looks like. Not the performance of not caring. Actually being okay. If she says yes, great. If she hesitates, give her space. If she says no, smile, mean it, and continue being exactly yourself. The man who makes a move and handles the answer with complete grace regardless of what it is the most attractive version of himself in that moment. Because he just showed her something rare. A man who doesn't need a specific answer to feel okay, and that is sometimes what changes a no into a later. Number 7. And this is the one that removes almost all the risk. Test the water before you dive. Before the actual move, read the small signals. Have you created a moment of real connection? Is she engaged and present? Has she been finding reasons to stay near you? Are there small signs, the ones from the last video, that tell you the door is already open? If yes, your move is almost never going to be awkward because you are not moving into uncertainty. You are simply confirming something that is already there. The move only feels terrifying when you skip the reading, learn to read, then move. In that order. Every time. Here's the truth. The awkward moment you're afraid of almost never comes from making the move. It comes from waiting too long, from the energy building and becoming strange, from her wondering why you haven't done anything when everything between you said you should. The move done simply, warmly, and with genuine confidence almost never lands badly. Stop waiting for perfect. Start moving when it's real. Drop a comment. What has stopped you from making the move in the past? The fear of awkward? The fear of rejection? Be honest. Because most men are stopped by the same thing, and it's not what they think it is. And if this helped, the next video breaks down exactly what to say and do after she says yes, because that part trips most guys up just as much. That one is essential.